Okay, so we got a lot of green candles in this lineup right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If this one decides to back up at all, I'm just going to bounce out of this trade. So I'm going to start with the stop being moved all the way up just below this candle. There we go. Because if this backs up, it could fade into the end of the day, and I don't want to hold it over the weekend. So I'd rather get out with as much profit as possible. So we just back that up right there. Bottom of this candle is looks like the low 3280. Let's go find that stop. 3280. Yeah, that works. All right, cool. Recenter this. 3287. We're like right there. Our target was 3289, 3288. So I might go ahead and move this up now. Yeah, I'm going to take that up to 3288. Alright. So 328. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright, so if it backs up and we get out, we're about $1 under our target. Here, I'll make it $1. Alright, so we're basically $1 under our target, so I'm totally cool with that if I miss it by $1, hitting our full target. But now we're at 9, so I'm going to start trailing this now. As this, hopefully this thing will just break out and boost. We got 20 minutes left in this candle, that'd be sweet. All bonus money above this number here, so we'll see what we get. Oh, coming back down, coming back down. Don't do it. Hold it up. Watching level 2, because I find that there's like, a massive amount of shares someplace. So I'll just put my stop below it. Alright, so now we're going to go up and get our full position now, which was 28.96, so we're $1 above our full position. So now we're going to hang out here for a moment. We'll scale this up here. 29.3 will be our next spot that we'll hit. This will probably run. I mean, there's a good probability it will run to this level up here. But I'm going to take it, call it, start my day, the rest of my day anyway. Come on, get back above 3, please. 293. Okay, we should be getting stopped out here. Had a decent amount of buyers right there at 3290, holding it up. All right, cool. So we are out of that trade. All right, what an awesome day. That worked out pretty good. So it just took forever for that trade to happen, but had I played that other bounce in there, this could have been like around $250 a day, which would have been sweet. But we'll take it. We'll take it. It's another winner. Keep slowly growing this account. All right, everybody, have an awesome weekend. We'll see you on Monday. In my day trading account, I did not trade today. There were no setups that took place before 12 o'clock per the strategy. So I did not take any trades in a day trade account today. So a few days left next week to make up a little extra ground to cover platform fees coming out on that account, because it's a combination of the CME group and Thinkorswim, so I have platform fees. But anyway, cool. So we're out, and we'll see you on Monday.